In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail profile picture on the computer. If you're looking for a tutorial which shows you how you can do it on the phone, I'll leave one in the description below. But here's how you can do it on the computer, and it's very easy. All you need to do is make sure you're logged into your Gmail account, click on your icon in the top right, and again make sure you're on your right Gmail account here. Then click on this button here, which is the little photo icon. Then you can upload any photo from your computer, so I'm going to select a photo, and I already have a picture ready, so we're going to click on that, we're going to click open. It's then going to upload it to Gmail, and it's very simple like I said. And there we go, we can resize this to be the right size. Then we can set that as our profile picture, and our profile picture should update in a second. Let's just quickly refresh, and it should be updated now. Now I've refreshed a couple of times and it's not yet updated in the corner. But if you come down to the chat here, you can see it's updated. So just give it 5 to 10 minutes and it should be updated, or just log out and log back in again. So that's how you can do it. Please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.